Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning. Today we will study about the subject marketing for standard TYBCom and the topic is Introduction to Marketing Part 4. So let's begin. As we studied in the last lecture, every company has to follow some basic step while conducting the marketing research, and it is very important for any of the company to conduct a research. Without conducting a research, the company will not come to know the customer preferences, the market trends and etc. Let's move further for the new topic for today, that is MIS. MIS stand for Marketing Information System. Marketing Information System is like a structure of a people, equipment and procedure to gather and analyzes the data to decision maker. It means MIS helps us to provide relevant information to make a proactive and a reactive decisions. So this is the meaning of MIS. The marketing information system include all the data in terms of fact, opinions, views, guidelines and policies which are necessary to make vital marketing decisions. The data is collected from customer, competitors, company sales force and other staff, government sources, specialized agencies and sources. The marketer need to know about the changing trends in the market. It means any company while conducting the MIS has to follow these things. MIS is what? It's like a database which covered all the data relevant to the marketers. Every company has to collect the data from customer, competitor, sales force and any other things. If we will not collect the data which is related to the customer, we will not come to know the market trend which is happening today's in competitive world. So to know the trend in the market, the company has to conduct a MIS. So these are the component of MIS. It means without this internal record, market intelligence, market research and market decision support system, without this four component of MIS, any of the company cannot collect the data without this component. It means every company has to follow these four steps. Let us see what are the things. We'll see one by one. The very first one, that is internal record. Definitely while doing the internal record, the company know which are the things which is required in our house also. Like the company maintain internal records for the purpose of marketing decision. The internal record internals relating to marketing include sales record, performance record, product record, dealers record, etc. To decide about the place and the channel of distribution, to launch a new product, to ensure proper pricing of the product. In short, the company maintain internal record for the purpose of marketing decisions only. What are the purpose for conducting an internal record? To know about the place and the channel of distribution, to know what are the new product which has launched in the market and the modified product which has changed in the market, to ensure proper pricing of the product. So while we are taking internal record, large companies have many other things, right? Large company have developed advanced computer based systems while recording internal record. The next topic, the next component of MIS, that is market intelligence. Marketing intelligence is the information relevant to the company market gathered and analyzed specifically for the purpose of identifying market opportunities and to design product development, market penetration and market development strategies. To identify market opportunities, to identify market trends, to maintain customer relationship. It means market intelligence can be used to assess market entered opportunities and to formulate market development plans. Who can provide market intelligence? Therefore, market intelligence can be collected from marketing research manager, sales floor manager, consultant, market intelligence. And what are the things why we require a marketing intelligence? To know the market opportunities, to identify the market trends which is happening in a competitive world, and to maintain customer relationship. Even if you want a marketing research which is helps us to enter a new market product in the development strategy. Then third component of marketing, that is marketing research. Market research is a systematic gathering, recording, analyzing of data about problems relating to the marketing of goods and services. It is undertaken to solve specific marketing. Some of the areas of marketing research is consumer product promotion, dealer research, etc. to maintain customer relationship. It means it is marketing research. It's like a systematic gathering, recording, and analyzing of data. Market research is undertaken to solve a specific market problem relating to the product, pricing, and promotion. While doing the research, the company has to go for some areas that is product, consumer product, promotion product, dealer research, etc., promotion, pricing research, etc. While conducting any of the research, the company cannot go only for the customer. The company has to go for dealer, suppliers, consumer, promotion, pricing, place, and etc. And why we require marketing research? Therefore, to maintain a customer relationship, we require a marketing research. And the last component of MIS, that is MDSS. MDSS stand for Marketing Decision Support System. MDSS is a set of statistical tools that assist marketing managers to make an improved marketing decision. This system enables to predict outcomes from different scenarios and possible marketing strategy. The three main focus of MDSS, that is forecasting, custom database, research tracker, etc. It means MDSS it's like a set of statistical tools which is helps us and which is helps manager to take a supportive system decision. If we will not do the MDSS, the company will not come to know what are the scenarios and what are the trends which is coming and which are the things which is there in the market. Therefore, any of the company use MDSS system for marketing decisions. And to enable this marketing decisions, they have to focus on three things, that is forecasting, custom database design, and the research tracker. Forecasting, it's like to company has to prepare for changes that can be required in nearby future. Custom database, it's like we have to prioritize the information which is required and which helps us to make a best decisions. And the research tracker, it's like a we have to research the latest market trends which helps the company to enable the events which can be take place in the future and nearby areas. So these are the four steps the for MIS where all the company do the things. I hope you understand it. Thank you for watching. Thank